up? Charles from AllCoastLawncare. Hey, so I just got done with one of my neighbors. I mean, one of my neighbors. I just got done with one of my customers. I noticed the neighbor yard was overgrown. So I was leaving. I saw him pulling up. I'm like, hey, here you go, sir. How you doing? My name's Charles. I just want to give you a card. Okay, so you have a lawn care person servicing your lawn? He said, well, I do my own yard though, but my lawnmower just been messed up, and so I'm working on it right now. And so I went in the back. I tried to like help him out with his lawnmower, see what I could do. I told him check the fuse. I was looking for the fuse. I couldn't find the fuse for some reason. You know, cause yeah, check the fuse. It happened with my zero turn and my riding mower. But check the fuse. That'll probably be it. Clean the carburetor. You know. So, but hey, I could do your yard. You know what I mean? I can bring it down for you right now. Do you care about the edge? I don't care about the edging, so I could just mow it. All right, one pass only at high, only one pass. You know what I mean, for $100. He's like, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I just need it broke down a little bit because it's kind of high, y'all. And I'm gonna show like a little video. You'll see. All right, but so I said, okay, so one pass, $100. Do you have cash? So the customers like this, I'll ask them if they have cash. You know what I mean? Because it's like a one-time thing. You know what I mean? And he said, yeah, I got cash. Like, all right, cool. Let me just pull my truck around and I'll get the mower out. One pass only, just mowing, correct? Yeah, just mowing. I'm gonna do front and back. Oh yeah, just front and back. Okay, cool. I just need to keep confirming with them. You know what I mean? All right, make sure we're seeing eye to eye. One pass, front and back, $100, and it's not gonna be short. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, here we go. Y'all, that property I got done it. I just mowed it in 9 minutes. So let me clarify, confirm with you. The customer didn't want no edging or string trimming. He was trying to save some money. He just wanted his grass mowed down. All right, and I said, okay, sir, are you sure, sir? You don't want me to edge it or string trim it? It will cost about a little bit more, like $200. No, I just want to mow. All right, well, just to mow it, so it's going to be at least $100 because it's high growth, and I'm only going to give you one mow. All right, the $200 includes edging the overgrowth, string trimming the overgrowth, and mowing at least 3 times. You know, because it's a small yard, y'all. And he just wanted one mow. All right, so that's going to at least be $100. Okay. So what do y'all think, y'all? You think I charge too much? It's high growth, okay? It's wear and tear on their equipment, all right? It's a liability, all right? You have to be mindful of anything inside, you know, like underneath all that high growth. Maybe there's a shovel. So they're taking a chance, y'all, okay? And I mowed that front yard at 3.5, and I mowed the backyard at 4 inches, all right? The backyard, I did a couple of passes. But it was real bumpy, man. Luckily, it's a good thing I have like a what do you call it? Floating seat, a suspension seat, because the backyard was a little bit bumpy. But hey, he was happy. That's all he wanted. All right, he gave me $100 bill, and that was that, y'all. So hey, what do you think, y'all? So hey, look for these opportunities. You're driving around, you see a yard that's overgrown. Hey, that's a potential customer, y'all. Just stop, knock on the door, ring the doorbell, give them a card. You know, hi, I'm out here servicing lawns, and I see that that your lawn's overgrown. Do you have anybody doing your lawn care? You know, they see what they got to say, y'all. They'll probably say, oh no, I'm actually looking for somebody. Can you do it? Hey, just like that, y'all. Bam, you have a lawn care customer. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. God bless, and hey, stay hydrated, y'all. See you on the next video. Bye.
AllCoastLawncare.